Hi, my name's Susanna from 2610. 2610 Chat is a step-by-step guide helping Tasmanians start a conversation with someone they know who may be struggling with reading, writing or maths. It's a conversation that refers people to the support they might need to make their lives a bit easier. There are 5 steps to a 2610 Chat. Step 1, notice. Notice the signs of someone struggling with reading, writing or maths. This can manifest in lots of different ways. Some use humour to deflect attention away from some low skills. Others might say, I left my glasses at home, or I can't read that, you'll have to do it for me. Step 2, raise. The best way to be certain that you've noticed low skills with someone's reading, writing or maths is to ask them about it. It can be nerve-wracking to raise the subject with someone you know, particularly if you think they're going to feel defensive or in some cases even ashamed of their low skills. If you ask the question, keep your questions open-ended and talk to them with a non-judgmental tone, framing things in your own experience, it can be much easier. Step 3, listen. For some people, their low skills in literacy and numeracy have been a long-standing issue. If you have the time and you feel ready and comfortable to raise the subject with them, it's a good idea to be prepared to listen to their response. Give them the time they need to get it off their chest if they want to talk about it. Some may not be interested in talking about it in that particular moment, but allow yourself time to wait for their response. Listen for a goal that they may be interested in achieving, for example, gaining a qualification or license, or reading to their child at night. You know the person, so listen to their response. Don't judge, allow them the time to talk about what they need to. Step 4, refer. This is your chance to refer someone you know to literacy and numeracy support. This could be as easy as saying, did you know that you can get some help with your reading, writing and maths? Should you ever be interested in that? It could be giving them the 1300 number, 1300 2610. Step 5, encourage. Sometimes it can take people years to reach out for some support. So remember that your words will stay in that person's mind. They'll never forget this conversation. It's important if the person says no to your offer of referral, that maybe the time's not right for them. Don't give up. Ongoing, supportive words and actions can really make a difference. Good luck with your 2610 Chat.